Today I'm going to show you how to turn a pellet into a storage box for storing. We're going to use it for potatoes and onions.
So you're going to turn that
into
one of these.
Mark has already taken off the slats to start making it.
230mm high, 330 across there, pieces of wood. And these particular ones are going to be 420mm. Okay? So I'll cut them. The reason it's 200.
No, I'm not filming now. I'm just. Is this the side?
Do another one like it?
Is there a reason why you have gaps in between?
Well, just so it's make the box lighter.
What's that? The front and the back? Yeah?
Yeah, front and the back.
Always the big one at the bottom?
Yeah, big one at the bottom, so...
Why is the big one at the bottom? To stop things from falling out.
Stop falling out if you want to store.
There is the box. It's upside down, don't
Sorry?
work. It's upside down
yeah.
now.
So now I'm going
You're going to take a bit of pellet, and what are you going to do?
I'm going to cut it at 420. Where's my pencil?
Trusty pencil. A hand saw can be used, but we've got a circular saw. Little baby blackbird. And there we have it. A simple
One cheap storage box.
from one pallet.
And you can get 3. You'll probably get 3 from that pallet.
There you go.
3
You get
boxes from
3
that pallet.
boxes of the pallet.
And that was,
You can use it for anything to store in.
yeah. Only cost a box of screws. A box of screws, £2.50.
I didn't use a box of screws
No, I didn't
though.
use a box of screws, no.
No, exactly. Part of a box of screws. Right, hope you enjoyed it.